quick overview of the electronic cruise control on the twin cam Harley-Davidson Road King. So to use the electronic cruise control, you turn it on the left control here. That's how you turn the ability to use the cruise control on, and then you'll get a symbol light up in your gauge down here. And then when you want to activate it, then you bump this to the right, and then that'll keep you right where you are. You can still roll off the throttle on your right hand, which is nice with this throttle by wire versus the conventional throttle control. It's super easy to use. I love it. I haven't done a ton of highway traveling on this yet, so I haven't used it too much, but compared to the throttle lock on my sport bike, this is just like ridiculous. I'll just show you an example real quick I took before I started filming this. So just to make this a little more clear, while I'm not moving, the cruise control is turned on by clicking that to the right, off, on, and then to activate, you press this to the right to set. And then in order to turn the cruise control off, you can either click it off here, you can roll the throttle forward, or you can apply the brakes. And it's as simple as that. I'm just going to start it up so you can see the dash gauge lights. There you go, that activates it, so it turns red. First time I saw that, I thought something was wrong. I didn't realize I hit it by accident. And then once you activate it, that goes and turns green. It only activates over 30 miles an hour, so I couldn't use it like right now. It'll just disable it. And then if you hit the brakes or you roll off the throttle, it'll disable, and then you can resume just like a normal. So there's like set, resume, on, off, and that's pretty much it. Beautiful late summer day in Connecticut. Transition into September. Got some of the best riding of the year ahead of us. Hopefully some improvements on the horizon for all of us. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, everyone. The sound of my people.